Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Your Tech Today. So in this video I have the Xiaomi Mi Pen with me. I bought this from Banggood.com and it was shipped to India and it took about 20 days. It was around $8 I think. So before I go further, let's talk about what this product is. So it's basically a pen style device which can detect the total dissolved solids in the water. So it's a very useful product because I feel that sometimes we are not sure about the quality of the water that we are drinking, and this can help you. It's a cheap little device which can help you get some idea that what is the quality or what are the impurities dissolved in the water that you're drinking. So I have some documentation here which I've printed out, and I guess you can get an idea. So these are the kind of impurities this pen can detect. There are three kinds: calcium, magnesium, and soluble salts, ammonium acetate. I don't know what these are, but ionic organic compounds, SIPE, I don't know what it is. Chromium, zinc, lead, copper, heavy metal ions in the water that you drink. This pen can help you detect those. So you can have a look and pause if you want to see. So this is the maximum TDS in parts per million allowed. So if the reading is 0 to 50, it's the ideal drinking water. Then 50 to 150 or 170 is carbon filtration, like what usually we have at home. You know, the normal AquaGuards in India that we get. So those are the normal filters which can give you this quality of water. After that, it is marginally acceptable, high TDS water, and so on and so forth. Maximum contamination in US. This is what is allowed. So again, you can pause the video and see the average tap water should be in between 170 to 320 or something like that. So next is the pen itself. So I'll anyways open it and show it to you, but this is in an enlarged format. So it takes two button cells. We'll see what kind of batteries they are. And this is the LCD screen where it shows the reading. It is IPX6 waterproof up till here. I don't think this part should be waterproof, but anyways, you're just going to dip this much. And this is the temperature sensor, and the titanium TDS probes are over here, these two over here. So it is very high precision, as Xiaomi likes to say, low power consumption, and it is waterproof. So let's get to the product. So it comes in this small little box. Let's open it up. There is some documentation. It's all in a language that I don't understand, even the box, because it is imported directly from China. It's not available in India for direct purchase. So let's take it out. So this is what the pen looks like, and this is where the batteries go in. Let's just check what batteries they are. So LR44 batteries, two of those. These should last you a pretty long time, I feel. So as soon as I inserted the batteries, the screen has switched off and calibrated to 0. This is the TDS pen. You can switch off and switch on the device with this button. Let's remove this cover which protects the probes inside. So you can see those are the two probes and the temperature sensor over there. So that's it. That's about the device. Now we are going to test the different kind of water samples that are available here. So I have collected different varieties. First we'll start with distilled water, which goes into batteries, and it is supposed to be the purest form of water. I have not even opened the seal of the bottle so that they don't get contaminated. So let's see the normal available distilled water. How pure is it? Mysore Chem Laboratories, and let's see. So the pen is on. I'm going to open the cap. It's at 0. See what reading the. Oh wow, it's just 3 parts per million. Okay, it's difficult to show it to you guys. See, it's hardly 2 or 3 parts per million. So that means this distilled water is pretty pure. Good. So if you ever get this brand, you can trust it. Now I'll just shake off the water from this, probably switch it off, Now we have some popular brands of mineral water or the bottled water which we get in India, which is Kinley, Aquafina and Bisleri. So one by one I'm gonna check how pure are these. Obviously there are some added minerals, so there will be a reading. It's not distilled water, because distilled water you cannot drink. So okay, even Aquafina showing a reading of 3. So pretty pure. As you saw that I just broke the seal over here. Let's go for Kinley. Okay, Kinley is at 20. So I don't know what to conclude from this, but it is in the safe range. As we saw, up to 50 is like the purest water you can drink. So Kinley has maybe more added minerals, so as they say on the packing, added minerals. And Aquafina says purity guaranteed, and that's it. So maybe this doesn't have added minerals, that's why it gave a lesser reading. So Kinley was at 20, Bisleri with added minerals. Switch it off, shake the water, switch it on, it's at 0. Whoa. So probably Bisleri has added some more minerals because it's at 79. So I hope you got the idea of the bottled water, which one Aquafina has the lowest rating. Let's just for interest sake check it once more to be sure. Yep, 3 parts per million. Man, I feel like drinking this water, it's so pure. Okay, next, Bisleri also, like, it gave a reading of about 79, but it also sells its water bottle in this big 20 liter, cans, or the 5-gallon cans. So I usually drink that for my daily water needs. So let's check that. That is there in this glass. So this seems to be more pure, or lesser minerals, or lesser dissolved solids. It's at 58. So this reading is consistent because I had checked it before also. So this is all about the drinking water, and I know in many countries the tap water can be safe for consumption, but in India we usually filter it or boil it before drinking. So I have 2 samples here. So this one is what the government supply is, and in Bangalore over here it is the Kaveri river water, which is purified and supplied to homes, and it's the tap water. So let's just check what's the reading of that. So it's at 163. So a little impure, I would say, and this is definitely not added minerals. It has to be some impurities. The only thing is this pen doesn't tell us what impurities they are, but it just tells in parts per million the dissolved solids. So you can probably take a decision, if you're traveling somewhere and check the water, and you will have an idea that what water you're drinking. So this is the last sample. This is the borewell water, as we call it, that is the well water. So I think you get the idea. A well is dug and the water is pumped out, and we store it in the tank because of the lack of supply of government water. So every house here. So this is supposed to be hard water, and it is showing in the reading. The reading is 388, 390. So if you see the chart, it's definitely hard water, and high TDS is there. So definitely not safe for drinking, and you should not be consuming that even after boiling it, I feel. So guys, I hope you got an idea of what this Xiaomi Mi Pen does, and what is the use, and how is the performance, and also got an idea, at least here in India, what is the quality of different or the TDS readings of different water, packaged water that we get. Aquafina has the lowest reading, then came Kinley, and then Bisleri. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.